Koktisalo CPI ni 2030 Tripura Haste conference Khlaijakha Ashala Atul Kumar Anjan Monoranjan Boshak Nogortai conference mons ni mungai Khlaijakha Ozama Direndra Riang Manos Debro mons ni mungai Manjakha National Secretary ni Ozama K Narayanate Polop Chen Gupta Akashang Abo haikino fane 14 July Shalmari botongnai o conference ni shaka CPI ni Adongrok Abun Yaglo no borni conference na Shazaka Koglam
attending the state conference and before September almost all state conferences will be over. From September 21st to 25th, All India Conference will be heading at Chandigarh. This is an important conference taking place because the Indian overall situation is a very dangerous position because of the Modi and Amit Shah, like a twins. They are ruling not the political system. They are avoiding the political system. They are avoiding the administrative system. They wanted their own policy to rule the country. They are not respecting the judiciary. When the judiciary is giving some suggestions, and they are rejecting. The first time when judiciary and the executive and Vice President of India, the confrontation opened. That means they are not respecting judiciary. The EC, Election Commission, they are not respecting the opposition parties of proposals. And the governors nominated by the central government, where the BJP opposed government is there, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, like that. They are creating trouble. Even Supreme Court involved and suggested that nominated governors can't dictate the elected government.
Khorang Chini Chini Khorang